Introducing the Spicy Crunchy Delight Roll. Begin by creating the spicy crunchy crab topping by cutting 5 pieces of imitation crab and mixing them well with chili oil, spicy mayonnaise, and crunchy tempura flakes. Next, spread 4.5 ounces of sushi rice over a half sheet of nori. Layer on sliced avocado and 2 pieces of imitation crab stick. Roll tightly using a bamboo mat and then cut into 12 equally delicious pieces. Arrange them on a plate, then drizzle with spicy mayonnaise and teriyaki sauce. Add the spicy, crunchy crab topping on top of the roll, followed by another drizzle of spicy mayonnaise and teriyaki sauce. Finish with a sprinkle of masago. It's now ready to serve. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thank you very much for your support.